The Wonderful World of White voiceover. Welcome to the wonderful world of white. In this fun and colorful story, we will explore different things that are white in color. From fluffy clouds to cute little rabbits, and even a glass of milk, let's take a journey and discover the amazing world of white. Are you ready to spot all the white things? Let's go. Look at the sky. What do you see? A big, white, fluffy cloud just like cotton candy. Hop, hop, hop. Here comes a little white rabbit. Isn't it soft and cuddly? Yum, yum. A glass of white milk. It makes you strong and healthy. Wow, look at the snowy mountain. Everything is covered in white snow. Bah, bah. White sheep in the field. Their wool is so fluffy and white. Breakfast time. A white egg on your plate. What do you like to eat with your egg? Flowers come in many colors. Look. This daisy is white and bright. Winter fun. We built a white snowman. Isn't he cute? Meow, meow. A little white kitten playing happily. So adorable. Glide, glide. A white swan on the pond. So graceful and pretty. Did you find all the white things in the story? Can you name? Thank you for watching. We hope you had fun learning about the color white. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational stories. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite white thing? See you next time, something else that is white.